I'm talking about extra virgin olive oil. The same oil you drizzle on a salad or cook your vegetables with can become the base of a simple nighttime ritual, a mix of a few natural whole food ingredients that can work with your body's biology to support hormone production, better blood flow, and even bedroom confidence. And here's the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. So before you scroll away, pause. This may be the most practical, affordable, and science-backed strategy you've heard in years. Quick favor. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing the global brotherhood of men who are serious about their health. And if you find value here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future men's health videos. Now, let's talk truth. A lot of men believe testosterone decline is just inevitable with age. It's normal, doc, they'll say. I'm over 50, what do you expect? Here's the myth, that nothing can be done. That once testosterone dips, you're just stuck with belly fat, low drive, poor sleep, and sluggish recovery. The truth? While levels naturally drift down, about 1% per year starting in midlife, the speed and severity of that decline are not fixed. Lifestyle, diet, sleep, stress, and even small nightly habits can shift the curve in your favor. Your body is always adapting. Feed it the right building blocks, lower the daily wear and tear, and you can restore a healthier balance, often without prescriptions. That's where this olive oil mixture comes in. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Nerita. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men reclaim their vitality, confidence, and quality of life. I've worked with men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s who thought their best days were behind them, only to see them regain strength, intimacy, and energy with the right strategies. And I'll be straight with you, there's no magic bullet, but there are proven habits rooted in biology that stack together and produce real change over time. One of my favorites, this evening olive oil blend. But before I reveal the exact recipe, let me walk you through the 5 powerhouse ingredients, one by one, so you understand why they work, biologically, emotionally, and practically. Habit number 1, extra virgin olive oil, the foundation. Let's start with the base, high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Biology. Olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats, the clean raw material your body uses to build steroid hormones, including testosterone. It also contains polyphenols like oleocanthal and hydroxytyrosol, which calm inflammation and protect your blood vessels. Inflammation is like static on a radio. It scrambles the hormone signals between your brain and testes. Lower that static, and luteinizing hormone can direct testosterone production more efficiently. Emotionally, when men hear dietary fat, they often picture clogged arteries. But the right fats, like those in olive oil, do the opposite. They support blood vessel flexibility, which directly influences erection quality. Better blood flow means better confidence. Practically, swap out refined vegetable oils or butter for olive oil, and you've already taken a step toward healthier hormones. In this recipe, it's your anchor. Habit number 2, garlic, the circulation ally. Now, ingredient 2, garlic. Biology. When you crush or chop garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes, it produces allicin, a compound that supports vascular relaxation and lowers blood pressure. Think of your arteries as garden hoses. If they're stiff and narrow, flow is weak. Garlic helps keep them flexible, reducing resistance so blood can flow more freely. Emotionally, many men underestimate how circulation affects confidence in the bedroom. It's not just about hormones, it's about delivery. When blood flow improves, erections feel stronger, more reliable. Practically, 1 crushed clove mixed with your olive oil is enough. And because it's paired with lemon juice in this recipe, the flavor mellows into something bright and fresh, not overpowering. Habit number 3, lemon juice, the protector. Third, fresh lemon juice. Biology. Lemon delivers vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide, the signaling molecule that tells blood vessels to open up, from being destroyed by oxidative stress. It also strengthens collagen in your vessel walls, helping them stay elastic instead of brittle. Emotionally, this is where men start noticing steadier energy and better recovery. When your vessels carry oxygen more efficiently, your workouts, your sleep, even your mental sharpness improve. Practically, Just a teaspoon of lemon juice adds a bright flavor, and it helps make this mixture something you'll actually look forward to using. Consistency is the secret. Habit number 4, ginger, the vitality root. Fourth, we add ginger. Biology. Ginger's compounds, gingerols and shogalls, reduce inflammation, support blood sugar control, and improve microcirculation. Several studies in men with fertility issues showed improved sperm health and hormone profiles with ginger supplementation. Emotionally, think about what happens when your blood sugar spikes and crashes: fatigue, irritability, brain fog. Ginger smooths that roller coaster, which makes you steadier in mood, energy, and performance. Practically, half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or a pinch of dried ginger powder blends right into the oil. It adds warmth and spice without being overwhelming. Habit number 5, turmeric with black pepper, the anti-inflammatory duo. Finally, turmeric activated with a pinch of black pepper. Biology. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories we know. The catch? It's poorly absorbed unless you pair it with piperine, a compound in black pepper which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Together, they reduce the chronic, low-grade inflammation that interferes with testosterone production and weakens vascular flexibility. Emotionally, inflammation is silent. It doesn't hurt until it's too late. Lowering it quietly improves how you feel day to day. Less joint stiffness, faster recovery, clearer thinking. Practically, just a pinch of turmeric and black pepper turns your olive oil blend golden. It looks vibrant, smells aromatic, and signals to your brain, this is nourishment. Now that you know the players, here's how to put them together. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Crush 1 garlic clove, let it sit 10 minutes, then whisk it in. Add 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Grate ½ teaspoon fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon dried. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. Whisk until golden. How to take it: sip it as a quick shot with dinner. Drizzle it over a salad. Use it as a dip for whole grain bread or steamed vegetables. Why before bed? Because your body does most of its hormone synthesis and repair while you sleep. Testosterone peaks in the early morning. By taking this with your evening meal, you're aligning nutrients with your body's natural rhythm. Do it most nights. Not perfectly, not obsessively, just consistently enough to give your body the fuel it needs. Now, let's set expectations. You're not going to drink this once and wake up with a six-pack and ironclad erections. That's not how biology works. But within a few weeks, 2 to 4 for most men, you may notice steadier daytime energy, better recovery after workouts, improved mood and motivation, more reliable performance in the bedroom. And here's the key: these changes are gradual and sustainable. You're not forcing your body with a drug. You're lowering the friction so your body can do its job. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting dignity, confidence, and freedom as you age. Gentlemen, aging does not mean losing vitality. It means being more intentional. Your body is still capable of producing testosterone, still capable of strong blood flow, still capable of intimacy and strength, but only if you give it the care it deserves. This olive oil blend is not a gimmick. It's a tool. Combine it with movement, good sleep, stress control, and smart nutrition, and you'll be amazed at what your 50s, 60s, and beyond can feel like. So here's my challenge. Commit to using this mixture most nights for 30 days. Pair it with 2 or 3 strength sessions each week, an evening walk, and 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Then tell me, how do you feel at the end of that month?